Hi members, day 57 of the 90-day health and wellbeing challenge. Day 57. It's Friday here in America and I fly home on Tuesday. So I get a little sad as I get a little closer because my routine will be completely interrupted next week. I just don't even know. Monday, I doubt that I'll be able to. I might be able to get to the gym, I'm not sure, because I'll be packing and getting organised back at the house to get everything organised. Tuesday, I fly home. So I fly out of Cleveland Airport and make my way to LA. I've got a late night flight. I think it's about 9:30 with Air New Zealand on Tuesday night. I miss a day completely Wednesday because of flying and, you know, the times moving forward. So miss Wednesday completely, and then I arrive in Sydney, Australia on Thursday of next week, and I'll be pretty much out of action Friday from jet lag and just pretty much recovering from the trip. And I'd say the weekend I have to make some inquiries for a new gym. So all in all, I'm going to be 1 week out of exercise, 1 week out of the gym. I'm a little disappointed, a little sad about that. So it just shows you how you can develop good, strong routines, good, strong regime in just a matter of 57 days. You know, it's like I'm going to miss it. And I'm really sad that I can't sort of do that exercise, can't be in a gym. And more than anything, I'm actually going to miss here and miss the people that I've met and the instructors as well. So anyway, as the time gets closer, I'll be heading back to Australia and I'll be taking you on my journeys again. I'll be checking in obviously every day into the members area as much as I can, most probably from the airport and then most probably from Sydney at the other end. So it might be a little bit irregular, but for now, I'll just keep checking in with you. Nothing to share on the business front today. Actually went shopping today. This is some interesting news. As a result of my health and wellbeing challenge, I actually went and fitted for some trousers, and I've gone from a size 10 here in America, which is a size 12 in Australia, to a size 8 here in America, which is a size 10 back home. I've never seen a size 10 for, I mean, I did when I was very, very young, but to see a size 10 Australian or a size 8 here is incredible. So I bought about 4 pairs of trousers to take home in my suitcase so that I've got some trousers when I get home, because the sales here are incredible. I think I saved about $170 on the trousers that I bought today.